Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I'm sharing a unique, simple, easy and delicious 3-ingredient dessert recipe of Chickoo Pista China grass pudding. I'm using 3 chickoos for this recipe. I washed and peeled these chickoos. I cut 1 chickoo into slices and chopped the remaining. Place half quantity of the chopped chickoos into a mold. I'm using a big mold and a small bowl. Place a vessel on medium flame and add 500 ml of milk. Keep stirring continuously. Once the milk is warm, add 80 grams of pista china grass. Keep stirring continuously so that the mixture dissolves completely. Once the milk starts boiling, add the remaining half quantity of the chopped chickoos. Continue stirring continuously for a few more minutes. Now switch off the flame. Wait for a minute or two and then pour it into a mold. By the way, if you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Keep it aside for an hour or until the pudding is set. Once the pudding is set, unmold it onto a plate. I garnished it with chickoo slices. Easy and delicious Chickoo Pista pudding is now ready. Thanks for watching.